started using it January 1st. What was that? Okay, I don't know what that was. I started using it January 1st.
I'm sorry if I'm being annoying. It's okay, Chris. Excuse me.
I've been partaking
in Satan's cabbage. Okay.
I'm gonna take over the world. Why so serious?
Do a bit.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from?
I almost had it.
Such a nice little gift. Whoa. There we go. What up?
Loudest. He's saying who can burp the loudest and make themselves burp the loudest.
I can burp on purpose. I can burp my ABCs.
I can't do it
because I can make myself burp.
Can you burp your ABCs? Huh?
Oh yeah, my ring videos. Va a haber una ruta este sábado. Why am I sitting like this? But I have the baby in the car, so I had to stop. But I was like...
Well, I just see so because I'm sitting on the stool. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I'm trying to be funny. I would sit on live with excuse me. Down to the end. Now my back itching. Hi,
Yeah, I'm gonna be adding a full in a second. This. I just burped. Excuse me, I burped. 100% were a vibe. Like
90 minutes. We stayed for 90 minutes and be there.
excuse her. She burped right now.
I
love my toothpaste.
started EXE.
Why? Because we're both. Alexa, volume 5. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me.
Alexa,
Asher, tú stop.
volume 5.
Stop. Fondo, 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 fondo. That was all her. Oh my god, excuse me. Tortas. It's her because then she's gonna try if we say her. You know? Sorry, I burped. Do you want me to put my life?
US to learn more and get started. Find your place in space.
Rice cakes, I mean.
Space for all.
Like you eat rice cakes with these?
What you ask? More value with smart home security
With the
and
soup?
even smarter price. More simplicity with easy install. More convenience with up to 2 years
I feel
of
like
battery life.
I've seen it with egg,
So you can check in from anywhere.
which we did with egg. I seen it with. Oh my god, and why do I look so smudgy?
Boyfriend. Last time you two did go in about 5 seconds. My Cash App, it is JOR.
I can't believe y'all are sitting here watching this.
I actually do think I have to fart. Oh my gosh.